Beautiful bodies. You're my addiction. She's so sexy. She is. She got me tripping. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Porchia Nicole here, and I am back with another video. So today's video is just gonna be, you know, not a try on haul, just a little quick little video. I was getting ready to go out and I decided, well, maybe I should review this hair because y'all, this hair has been in my head for about 3 weeks. This is the 7x7 closure. So if y'all follow me on Snap or follow me on any other stuff, y'all know that this hair has been in my head since I moved from the other apartment. So actually longer than 3 weeks, probably 4. Yeah, probably 4.5. And this hair is still looking real good. It's actually, I actually could leave it in longer if my closure wasn't working upon being raggedy. You know what I'm saying? Nothing's wrong with the hair. It's just my closure has been here for 3 weeks and it's time to come down. But before that happens, I do need to share with y'all this hair because I do get questions on it, and I have been getting questions on, do I like the 7x7 closure? Hello?
Did you get the text?
What text? So I was like, I am getting ready to go out right now. It is Tuesday, and here in Savannah we have this thing called Sister Girl Tuesdays. So yeah, that's where I'm getting ready to go. So my makeup is already done. I got my earrings on and everything. I just have to do my hair. So while I do my hair, I'll just sit and talk to you guys about, you know, different stuff. I did get this hair from Wiggins hair, and lately I have been seeing a lot of reviews go up for Wiggins, and pretty much people has been giving Wiggins a good review. And I did get the 6x6 lace closure. This is Brazilian hair. This is the Swiss lace part, so y'all know that's like the new things they've been having, Swiss and transparent or whatever the case may be. The closure was 20 inch, and I got 3 bundles, which was a 24, a 26, and a 28. So it was really long, but I can say I would have thought 28 was longer than this, would have been way longer than this, but it's really not that long. Like right there, I feel like my other bundles be right there, but I could be wrong. So yeah, that is what I got from them. And I could say off top, I do love the hair. As far as like the 6x6 closure, I'm not really a fan of the 6x6 closure, only because like the closure is big, and as you're gonna be able to see in the photo that I in the video that I put up, the closure is big. So like if you don't like a frontal because the frontal is like too much maintenance, but you want more of a space, then I would say you could get the 6x6 closure, because it goes like all the way here. Like all of this is closure from right here. The only reason I don't like it is because since the closure only goes right here, like all of this is open, so this is just weak, so like you can't really pull your hair back, which you can. So yeah, I'm just gonna curl up my hair really quick, and then I'm gonna show y'all how it is.
Turn around to the front. She on her swaggy, and I'm looking like
but
a bug.
as far as maintenance, like the hair really didn't shed a lot. It was really some good quality hair. It did not shed a lot. Like I said, it does stay straight for a long time, because I did have, like I said, I had been wearing it straight, so it did stay straight for a long time. Like I didn't always have to keep flat on it, which I really do love it, because sometimes I be in a rush and I don't be having time to keep flat iron my hair. So it did keep a cooked brown straight consistency, so that was like really good. I did dye this hair black, and it did, you know, it took well to black. One thing I can say about the lace is like it was Swiss lace, it was pre-plucked, but my stylist, you know, went in to bleach it, and the Swiss lace didn't take that good to bleach. Like normally we bleach it and that's it. We had to bleach it and put a little makeup on it to get it really to blend. And that's something that I can't say that we don't normally have to do. So I don't know if it's like the swish part of it or what the case may be, but yeah, if you're planning on bleaching it, which that's what everybody does, bleach the knots, it didn't really take that good. I'm not even putting nothing on it, no spritz or no nothing, because I don't want them to stay. I just want the hair not to be curly. I just want it to be like wavy. So I do at one point want to get a better wand curler though, because I do feel like this wand curler don't really want it the way that I want to. And I used to have a smaller one, but I don't know what happened to it. I did get this hair, so like I told y'all, I got my hair done like in April. Like the 3rd week of April. And then after that closure was like time to get done over, then I got it done again on the 30th. So this is the style from the 30th. And normally like I get hair, and so like I only use it like once or maybe twice, and then that's it, I move on to the next hair. But this hair was so good, y'all. Like it was so good. I used it again, and like I really wanted to use it again tomorrow, because I mean I really, when I get my hair redone again, but it's time for me to move on to the next hair. So I'm like, well, I'm getting ready to go to Aruba, and y'all already know that. So I don't want straight hair for Aruba, I want curly hair. So that's the only reason that I'm really switching, because this hair was bomb. It really was. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product, and like I said, I didn't really do like really tight ones. I did like loose curls because I just didn't want to wear my hair straight, and I didn't want to crimp it. So it's like, it's really fast. It really doesn't take that long to like put a few little curls in your hair. It doesn't take that long to put the curls in your hair. And I just want to do something different. And like I said, it would have curled even tighter than this, but I didn't put any spritz on it or anything because I just wanted loose curls, because I'm probably gonna like flat iron it later or like another day or something. So I didn't want it to have like a lot of curl in it. I just wanted it to be like a little curl, just so I can like wear it to the side or something like that. So as I was saying, I really did enjoy Wiggins' hair. Like, their hair is really good. It is some of the best hair that I done had, period, hands down. I know like a lot of people like this. Yeah, I thought somebody was standing like that. Ghost. I know a lot of people like to say that, and they just say that just because, oh, this is the hair they want right now. But this hair is really good. Like, I really don't want to take it down. Like, I really want to like use it again. Like, but like I said, I want curly hair for my trip, so I'm not. But this hair was absolutely great. It didn't tangle. It didn't shed. It didn't do any of that. It was real luxurious. The ends were so good. The ends didn't have any split ends. Like, any. So all the hype that you're hearing about Wiggins' hair, it is true. You're not going to see no mixed reviews. Like, it is true. The hair is really, really, really good. Period.